I'm the R&D manager in UA manufacturing. So I'm managing the team of the R&D to develop the products for the external customers and for the internal brands.
My name is Don. Uh, I'm the senior R&D chemist and the team lead of the skincare. I have nearly 20 years experience in this industry. I'm doing product development as my main job, and also I'm helping the internal and external stakeholders when they have the product claims, ingredient selections, and some other more regulated things. That's my job area. Train them for technical skills, basically for how to use the equipments and how to make a formula from the scratch, and how to do the stability testing, something which is very important to ready the job. That's my aim for train the students for that purpose.
The support, I think we are fully dedicated, like as a supervisor, like each of the R&D member, like once we get this internship application, so we are involved at the beginning to talk to the intern, share with them what's the program. So we are also providing the training, like giving them different projects to work on to I think we've always put the intern as a priority to ask them what do they really want from the uni, from their program, what's their expectation, and then we specify this program for them to put this internship to ensure they get what they want to learn from us. For students, I think so far we took a few students from the Monash Uni, and we're all happy. I think my feeling is like the university has already provided enough training, some basic training for the students. So what I would expect the students is because we are the R&D function. So first is some basic skills regarding how to make a formula, some simple experience, and also like because working in the industry, you need to, especially in this contract manufacturing condition environment, you need to work with different teams, cross-functional. So a good communication is really important from students. And also one thing I would say is the leadership from the student is because the student will I would expect them to be proactively like be the leader of their program, like to share with us what their expectation, and to be proactively communicate with their supervisor, with different departments regarding what they want to learn, and to be initiative enough to be the leader to solve the problem, because we would expect the internship to be as a problem solving program for them. Yeah.
I actually love to do new product developments. That's my main key interest area. Every day something new, because we have many external clients who wants different things every day, and that's something I enjoy.
What I like is I have this passion on this industry is because I've studied chemistry when I was in the uni, and I have been working in this industry for a few years. What I really feel like fulfilled within like my position is when we've created the products, amazing products for the consumers. When they see the products, when I saw their feedback, when I see the performance has been delivered to the consumers, I feel really happy.
I actually studied microbiology, that was my main subject, and chemistry. They both similar weights. I wanted to become a microbiologist, but I ended up with a foundation chemist. That's totally different. Yeah, I'm enjoying my career for last 20 years. I did masters in chemistry, and I did bachelor's in science, and so far I'm enjoying last 2 decades.
For me, I have been working on the same position like Formula Science. I've never changed my job, like my industry, because I think the reason is because the cosmetic industry, like the market, is very dynamic. So it's changing every day. Like the trend is always changing. So the job is always interesting. Like I don't get bored. That's why I've never changed my career and never changed my job.
I think in an application point of view of the knowledge, I think it's very important to do the placement. They learn at uni a lot of technical things, but when they go for the job, they need that hands-on experience thing. I think that's why the internship program is very important, ready for the job, and also it supports their other skills such as communication and organization skills, time management, those type of skills they can develop at the same time. That would be a plus point.
Yeah, I think it is important and it's valuable for the students to do the internship because for this internship they've got the opportunity to see how the industry looks like, how the industry works. They may like it or they may not like it. So I think it's a very good opportunity for them to make the decision when they are graduating, when they're looking for a full-time job in the future, like what do they really want to do. So it's an opportunity for them to experience